Why most diets fail. This is the main reason most diets fail, make no mistake. Most diets currently on the market work. If they didn't work, those diet books on the shelves would have been pulled a long time ago. There would have been so many lawsuits, it would make your head spin. These lawsuits would have one thing in common. They would all share their common refrain, and that all these diet books and weight loss programs and systems are frauds. That's right. They're scams because deep down inside, their authors have crafted together seemingly plausible or believable diets that essentially do not work. Of course, that's not happening. There are no lawsuits. Why? Most diets work. That's not the problem. If you go on those diets, you're not going to have a problem. You will lose weight. Maybe you'll lose 10 pounds after 10 days. Maybe you'll lose 20 pounds after a month. That's not the issue. You can pretty much guarantee that if you follow those diets to the letter, you will lose weight. That's right. You will get what you came for. Here's the problem. The problem comes after you stop the diet. Most of them are unsustainable. You think you lost 20 pounds and you feel good about yourself. You may be feeling really confident. There may be a little bit of extra spring in your step. Well, I hate to break it to you, but eventually, all that weight will come back. Wait, it gets even worse. Not only do the pounds come back, but they will bring on extra pounds. That's right. After your diet, you're probably going to weigh worse than when you began. Isn't that adding insult to injury? Isn't that sad? Isn't that pathetic? Isn't that tragic? Well, this is the reason why the global weight loss industry is a multi-billion-dollar juggernaut that refuses to slow down. In fact, it continues to grow by billions and billions of dollars year after year. Guess what? You are part of that. Every time you buy a diet supplement or you sign up for a diet book or some sort of weight loss program, you are making sure that this global beast continues to grow and grow. The reason why most diets fail is actually quite obvious. It's one thing to tell you what to eat and what not to eat. It's very easy to instruct people as to the reason why they need to move around more so they can take their metabolism to the next level. It's very easy to coach people as to how to fix their metabolism so they burn a lot more calories. But at the end of the day, if you do not have self-discipline, regardless of how well crafted your weight loss program or system is, it will fail. It's only a matter of time. In fact, for some people, it happens sooner rather than later. If you have been on one diet after another and you can't seem to make any kind of headway, do not invest on yet another diet book. Put your money aside. Hide your money. Stop thinking about the next magical food supplement that somehow, someway, makes all that fat magically burn off. Stop thinking that way. Instead, focus on discipline. I know it's not sexy. In fact, a lot of people start developing cold sweats the moment they hear the word discipline. But you have to develop self-discipline. Otherwise, all the diets in the world are not going to help you. All those pounds that you lost in the beginning will come back. Do yourself a big favor. Click the link below this video so you can get access to a plain English guide to practical everyday self-discipline. It is not a mystery. In fact, it is common sense. What's important is you focus on these steps so you can be well on your way to becoming a more disciplined person. Self-discipline is a crucial life skill that enables you to succeed in anything you choose to do. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel for article video like this one. Thanks for watching.